Understanding cloud computing.
Cloud computing means using the internet to access computing resources like servers, storage, and software instead of owning them yourself. It allows businesses and individuals to run applications, store files, and process data on remote computers, often called the cloud. This approach has transformed how we use technology and is now essential in many tech careers.
Key features of cloud computing.
Cloud computing offers several advantages: scalability, flexibility, and cost savings. You can easily scale resources up or down as needed, avoid buying expensive hardware, and pay only for what you use. This flexibility helps organizations launch new services faster, encouraging innovation and reducing upfront investment.
Types of cloud services.
There are three main types of cloud services: infrastructure as a service, IaaS, platform as a service, PaaS, and software as a service, SaaS. IaaS provides virtual hardware, PaaS offers tools for building applications, and SaaS delivers ready-to-use software over the internet. Each type can fit different business and career needs.
Cloud computing in tech careers.
Skills in cloud computing are highly valued in today's job market. Roles like cloud engineer, system administrator, software developer, and data analyst often require knowledge of cloud platforms such as AWS, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud. Learning about cloud computing can open doors to new job opportunities and help you stay relevant in tech.
Taking the next steps.
If you're interested in a tech career, start by learning the basics of cloud computing through online courses or tutorials. Explore popular platforms and experiment with their free tiers. Understanding how cloud services work is a solid foundation for advancing your skills and pursuing modern, in-demand tech roles.